Yeah, well, we had a tough start. We got a tough group, to be honest, but we've had 2 tough free away games. We've travelled quite a bit, but we've had an unbelievable start. We've got 6 points out of 9, 2 wins, 1 loss, and one of them was against Portugal, who are probably one of the best teams in the group. But we've had a great start, and I said if we win these 2 games this competition, then we go top of the group going into next campaign. So everyone's happy at the moment, to be honest.
Huge weekend coming up.
Yeah.
An important weekend. How has preparation been going?
Yeah, it's been, we only met up yesterday, but training today was good, recovery yesterday was good, and, it's just the same as always. Nothing really changes, to be honest, because, as I said, we've had a great start, so we don't really need to change anything. So, everyone's happy and looking forward to getting this game going on Friday and then Tuesday then.
It feels like a very together group, is that fair?
Yeah, to be honest, I've been with Wales now since under-17s, and every group's together. I think it's just the way Wales is, to be honest, because first team are quite similar as well. So it's just the way, it works around the place. Everyone seems together and everyone works together. And to be honest, the results have shown that in the first 3 games. Maybe not against Portugal, but they were a very good side, and it's tough when that happens.
You spoke about the fact that you've had 3 away games, so it must be really an exciting prospect to have these 2 home ties now. Yeah,
of course. To be honest, we've got the 3 hard ones out of the way, and we've come away, happy. So we've had a great start, and this time, as I said, if we get these 2 wins, then we go top of the group, and you can't ask for anything better than that.
You also seem to be enjoying yourself at club level at the moment too.
Yeah, well, I got off to a tough start at Northampton on loan, but considering the new managers come in, I've started to get a few more games under my belt, and I'm happy at the moment. I'm enjoying my football, and feels good to be back in the league again, to be honest, from where I started.
And just to bring it back to Wales as well, obviously there's some big names in this under-21 squad, some absences as well because of being called up to the first team.
Yeah.
How important is that transition, and to be able to make that transition with ease?
Yeah, well, we have a few new faces every camp, so nothing different to us. They seem to fit in really well. Boys welcome them really well, so you can see it. It's nothing better than seeing lads going up to the first team and getting involved up there. So it's good to see that, and it's good to see new faces come in. So it's something different every camp, and it's new faces every camp, and nothing seems to change. The results don't change. The enthusiasm around the place don't change, so it's good to see.
And come Friday night, half an hour before kick-off, what will the mood be in that dressing room? What will the message be?
Well, the mood will always be the same. We believe we can win these 2 games. We're pretty confident, so everyone's going to be happy, looking forward to it. As soon as you come on Welsh camp, you can't wait for the games to start going. We meet up a couple of days before the game, so we have a little bit of time to prepare. So, you get these couple of days preparation out of the way, and you just can't wait to go, to be honest.